Hey guys, how's it going? Nick here, back with another video, and today we're doing a quick first look and unboxing of the Sigma 24mm f1.4 for Sony full frame mirrorless systems. It's a new lens that I picked up before I go on my overseas trip to Canada next week, and I really wanted a wide angle prime for the sharpness and also for that beautiful f1.4 aperture. So we're going to unbox the lens today, give you a little bit of examples of the footage you can get from it, and let's get to it because I'm pretty keen. So, you know, open the box and you've got information, more information that looks like it's all in Japanese, which it probably isn't. More warranty information, and then the lens itself comes in this little baggie. It's kind of like this ballistic nylon belt strap for those of you that want to rock it on your belt. I don't know anyone that does that, but nice that it's here. And inside there we have a nice EVA padded foam insert in the top. Good old flick test. And the lens itself. Woo. And at the bottom, a lens hood. Only the top of the case is padded with foam. The rest is just sort of, you know, this little cushiony thing there. But other than that, awesome. So let's open the lens. So this is relatively new to the Sony full frame system. Sigma announced all their art lenses mid-year, and the 24, I do love a good wide angle. So as you can see here, we got the lens. Oof, not as heavy as I thought. Heavy, but not as heavy as I thought. And lens hood, for those of you that, you know, I'm a bit meh on lens hoods. Let me know in the comments, who uses lens hoods? Like, I know they have a purpose and all that, but just not for me. But look, it feels pretty good for a lens hood, I won't lie. Did I put that on? There we go. It's got a real stiff click. Ugh. You hear that? Ugh. Ugh. I mean, with the lens hood, it is big, but something I do like about the lens hood, I know it's just whatever, but it's relatively shallow, which means it's easy to get in and woo, look at the glass. Easy to get into the filter if you have a filter on there. But anyway, we'll look at that later. You've got the standard sort of Sigma pinch clasp lens cover. These are my favorite ones. I prefer them to anything else. And there you go, 77mm filter thread. So big, but not huge. Chuck that on there. And then let's have a look here. Interesting to note is that although these are not rated as weather sealed, there is a rubber gasket on there. That is super exciting. I didn't actually know that. I'll show that in some B-roll. We'll chuck it on screen now. But as you can see here, there is it's small, it's not big, don't know. And like I said, Sigma don't personally rate it, but weather sealed. Woo! I mean, sort of. So we're gonna chuck that on the A7 III. Oh, that is a stiff click. And there we have it on the Sony A7 III without what's great is that it is a proper manual focusing lens, not fly-by-wire, so you do get the hard stops at the focus. Very, very nice. The throw is actually, it's not too bad, it's pretty good actually. I'd say that's a very, very good throw. Let's just turn this on. Ew! Oh my god. Another great thing about this lens is the minimum focusing distance is really, really close. It's like, I think 9 inches or something like that. That's in focus. Still, oh, that 1.4, I tell you what. Woohoo! And you do have your autofocus and manual focus switch on the lens itself, so you can just flick, give that a bit of a flick, and you can do your, you know, your manual focus. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Well, now we're just going to show you a little bit of test footage from this lens, and hopefully you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. First look at the Sigma 24mm f1.4 for Sony E-Mount. God, that's a mouthful. This is going to be my main lens, I think, while I'm in Canada, for getting some nice landscape shots as well as some wide portrait shots, because I do prefer shooting wider than I say like telephoto. I'm really looking forward to putting this through its paces. If you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more videos like this to follow me on my journey overseas to the Great White North. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. See ya.